Well, we've been working with CFE for 10 years now.
It's really about them getting out into the community and taking our food as fresh as we possibly can give it to them and getting that out there on the same day. And we really proudly support them with as much leftover foods, new produce.
This year we're not just giving food.
The joy you see in some of these kids, their faces, etc., when we go to deliver presents at Christmas.
He's really the face of Community Food Enterprise. I've never known them not to be at work, working on behalf of all the people that need them most. They're also up at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning, going to the local markets.
So for them, it shows them that people do actually care about them, they're not forgotten.
It's a wonderful time to be distributing surplus food.
Yeah, very special. I feel very privileged to know them.